everybody, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I wanted to give you a quick command tip on how you can create a very cool video that's only 1 minute in command, and then you can share that to all social media platforms or text or email, etc. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you and let's get started. So first things first, definitely log into command agent.kw.com. And the next thing we're going to do is go to designs, which is this paintbrush on the paper towards the bottom left on the side there menu. And then once we're here, I'm going to show you quickly what these videos look like. Okay, so these are videos that I've created in the past. So I'm going to open this up and show you real quick what these do. All right, so see how awesome that is. And the great news is it's so simple. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. Once you're in designs, which that's where we're at, we're going to go to the blue plus sign at the bottom right of the screen. Then you're going to click video and next. So here is where you're going to search by neighborhood. Okay, so I'm just going to do Mountain Valley. And once you do that, it should pull up the neighborhood that you're looking for. So I'm going to click Mountain Valley right here. You see the little check mark next to it. And then we're going to click next. So what's really cool is this auto-populates data live from the MLS. So it should be accurate. Now, if you ever come across one that says zeros in there, doesn't have any data, double check it in the MLS if you'd like. Perhaps there's literally not been any activity in that subdivision. We do know that listings are low right now, so it might be possible, but feel free to double check those numbers in the MLS. So these look about right to me. So I am good with this. Now you can, like I said, you can go in here and change this. All of this is editable, okay? But I'm going to leave it the way it is. And then right here, all of these can be changed as well. You can click here and see all these different options. And these are the options that are going to pop up for neighborhood features as you saw throughout the video. You can only choose 3. Then you'll scroll down and you'll see it auto-populates your information here. If anything's not correct, you can go in here and update it. And then down here is Market Center brokerage information. That should auto-populate as well. And all that was auto-populated. So really all I needed to do was type my phone number in there and click next. So now it's creating my video. It's going to take 10 seconds and then it's going to be ready to go. So what's awesome is once it's finished, we can click save. But as soon as it's ready, you can literally go in here. You see it's already ready for you. We can click save. And now you're going to see it pop up here. I'm going to refresh my screen and go back to video. So now you see June 1st. That's the video that I just created. You can click these 3 dots, download it, and that video downloads right to your computer. From there, you can post it on Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform you'd like. You can also email it to clients. You can also text it. So it's a really great option and it's so simple. So definitely give this a try. Okay, you guys, if you ever have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.